You're watching Bruce Sees All.
Speed, of course, to get longer videos, but these are videos in 4K. You're actually looking at a video with 30 frames per second. Let's see what that looks like. We're going to do a lot of tests, but in general, I'll be filming at 60 frames per second, high quality, and again, this is 4K. Enjoy! Watch here. The large crater is Damoiseau crater. The crater to the right has lines leaving it. How often is it that you get to visually see with your own eyes on with a large telescope an object looking like Oumuamua, just because it's like it, elongated. Fire comes out of the bottom before it crashes into the moon. And I showed the massive explosion on another short video. You see, there's many ways to look at this research and to look at all the captures and close up. I showed you far away. You'll see me showing it close up, slowing it down. Look at frame by frame, something spiraling through space, which is really cool to see. It's real research done. This is in the negative, by the way that you're viewing it. That's why you see a bit of the green color. I keep the same way of filtering and technique. There's no manipulation whatsoever. Here's no filtering, just straight up color. And look, frame by frame, we can see this object breaking itself apart. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my research channel.
But everyone thinks it's a big game. They don't believe someone on YouTube can expose an entire world, an entire government of lies. On the surface of the moon is no big game. If the governments Every single one of them, of every country on this bloody planet, say that there's nobody up there. And I'm filming an entire civilization. Who are they? Here's what else is up there. And this is definitely what's bothering everyone. And especially you. Military pilots around the world throughout history have only been able to hit a couple of G-forces, right, with their jets. 9 G-force. I've yet to see someone hit 10. But yet these UFOs that I'm showing you right here are traveling at very high rates of speed. They're traveling at 100 Gs to 5,000 Gs. And there's no way in hell any humans are in there. But yet, the government mocks and ridicules each and every one of you by saying there's nothing up there. When the people find out about my research and exactly what I'm showing on the surface, like the astronaut that did not go to the moon, by the way, I showed for the first time a beautiful rectangle with energy sources inside and 6 to 12 lines leading off to Mons Argeas, which is a power energy source. They're producing energy up there on the moon. So you can think what you want of me and my research, and no matter what you think of me, or my research, or the moon, the truth is definitely out there. It's been exposed, and I'll continue to do so. The exclusive research that is seen only here has to get out to other people. And even though we are a small bunch to be able to witness this, I thank you.
Paul Sabo, Pat Yassar, Darla Lama, Ruth Kelly, everyone who contributed, gifting out the memberships, and every way you have, Kristen Kruger, Michelle Preston. Thank you so much for the generous contributions, everyone.
Thank you, Eric Dubé. Merci pour tout.
Aliens on the moon. When are they gonna tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining. They're mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon.
Thank you very much for the support to this channel.
Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos.
Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.